What problem you had when you come in the clinic?
I was actually suffering from asthma. I couldn't even walk properly, like for a distance, even if it's for 10 minutes, I would just feel breathless. But abhi, after the exercise and everything, I feel much more better. और मुझे लगता है मैं अच्छे से अपना डेली लाइफ में जो एक्टिविटीज़ है वो मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से कर पा रही
तो कब से था आपको प्रॉब्लम?
हूँ. मुझे 2 साल पहले तक से है
So
प्रॉब्लम.
you were taking inhaler for last 2 years. Right?
Yes.
So what was your frequency of taking inhaler earlier, and how is that now?
I used to take it for about 4 times or 5 times, or it even would depend or increase. But now I just take only 1 pump in one time in the morning, and I'm okay for the day.
And how's your breathlessness? Because the main problem you had come with a lot of breathlessness.
Right. I think it's way better now. I don't even feel a lot of times that I had that problem. I think I'm much better.
And were you aware of this physiotherapy before coming here?
Absolutely no. My doctor actually suggested me, and that time also I was very skeptical that will this help or not. But I think you should always trust the process, and I think that kind of worked.
Okay. So why were you not aware, of physiotherapy? Because it's a very common thing what we do.
I think the lack of knowledge only, because I was also not really knowing what was going on with me. For the few times that I visited the doctor, he couldn't even diagnose that I had asthma. So the time that he diagnosed, he told me, and then when I realized, and then when he suggested me, I think the thought did not come to my head only that physiotherapy does exist. So that is why I wasn't aware.
How did you reach to PhysioCure clinic?
So initially, when my doctor suggested that I should go for physiotherapy, I thought I should take matters in my own hands. So I searched, and yours was the top rated. So I was like, let me go, let me inquire, and that's how I came. जब initially शुरू हुआ तो मेरे दिमाग में यही था कि medicines शायद क्योर करेंगे. बट फिर जब उनको पता चला मेरे डॉक्टर को भी कि इससे उतना कुछ बेटरमेंट नहीं हो रहा, उल्टा मेरी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ में ही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, सो फिर उनको लगा कि फिजियोथेरेपी शुड बी अ गुड
उसमें जब आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है तो पॉस्चरल चेंज आते हैं, मसल वीक होते हैं, मसल इम्बैलेंस होते हैं, सब चीज़ के लिए फिजियोथेरेपी का रोल है.
राइट.
ओके. रिसेंटली यू हैव मैराथन फॉर 1 kilometer.
यस.
So this therapy helped you for that?
Absolutely yes. I had no thought of even going because I was scared that शायद मेरे से होगा भी नहीं, मुझे लगा भी नहीं था मैं 1 किलोमीटर तो भाग भी पाऊँगी. मेरे दिमाग में तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. बट आई वाज लाइक मैं अभी फिजियोथेरेपी कर रही हूँ तो लेट मी गिव इट अ शॉट, एंड एक्चुअली वन अ मेडल आई केम एट द 2nd place.
Very good.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's cool. So what message you want to give to people who are not aware of physiotherapy, who have these similar problems? So
I think that you should trust your therapist. He is always going to guide you and it's for your betterment. So please do it. ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं होगा या आपको लगता है कि अच्छा 5 दिन में नहीं दिख रहा है, 6 दिन में नहीं दिख रहा है, but when you keep on doing it, if you're consistent, you will see the results and it will be way better और आपकी condition definitely improve होती है.